This video will discuss why federal jury trials in South Texas have been suspended due to COVID-19. Brought to you by the Herman & Herman Injury Attorneys of South Texas. The disruption of life in Texas due to the COVID-19 coronavirus now includes the suspension of jury trials in federal courts in South Texas. Laredo trials are on hold until at least July 31st. McAllen trials are on hold until at least August 3rd. Corpus Christi trials are on hold until at least August 31st. Given the pandemic, the courts have indicated that delaying civil and criminal trials is in the best interests of the public. Judges may reschedule trials at their discretion unless the suspensions are extended. The judges signing the orders cite the court's reduced ability to obtain an adequate spectrum of jurors and the reduced availability of attorneys and court staff to be present in courtrooms due to public health risks. The judges recognize that the right to a speedy trial is in jeopardy with these orders, but they feel like the public interest was better served with these delays. The orders do not affect other court deadlines. Attorneys are to contact the relevant judge to discuss potential changes and are to file appropriate motions with the court. The orders do not apply to bankruptcy court proceedings. If your personal injury claim was set to go to trial this spring, it has been indefinitely delayed. If it had yet to be scheduled for trial, there has been no further scheduling of trials since delays were issued in Texas earlier this year. An order issued by the Supreme Court allows all courts in Texas to extend the statute of limitations due to pandemic-related closures, so that should not be an issue. If you have a case pending and are represented by Herman & Herman, do not hesitate to contact us if you have questions. Our staff and attorneys continue to monitor claim deadlines, negotiate with insurance companies, and prepare lawsuits as necessary. We are in compliance with all state and local directives regarding safe business practices. We have been able to contact most insurance companies by phone to review evidence and press for settlements of personal injury claims. In the meantime, you should continue to obtain medical care as directed by your doctor. Failing to do so could allow the opposition in your case to argue that you are not as severely injured as you claim to be. Please contact your doctor's office for instructions if you have an appointment for scheduled care or treatment and do not already know their safety protocols. Despite the recent surge of infections, the COVID-19 coronavirus has not stopped Texans from living their lives. The experienced South Texas personal injury attorneys of Herman & Herman are here to assist new and existing clients. If you've been injured and need legal help, please call the Herman & Herman Law Firm at 844-426-6000.